is Princess Catty. She is standing happily with her father, the king.
Hi!
The king is helping Princess Katie fly her kite. How happy she is!
I love flying kites.
The colorful kite is flying high up in the sky.
A kangaroo hops over to see Princess Katie and the king. Look!
A kangaroo.
The queen brings tasty kiwis for Princess Katie.
I love kiwis.
Princess Katie enjoys tasty kiwis with her father, the king.
Let's say the sound in king, kite, kangaroo, kiwi, key, kettle. K, k, king. K, k, king. K, k, kite. K, k, kite. K, k, kangaroo. K, k, kangaroo. K, k, kiwi. K, k, kiwi. K, k, key. K, k, key. K, k, kettle. K, k, kettle.